What's going on here? Here's the hose. Where's this hose going? Got slippers all over the place. Follow the hose. Here, follow the hose. Oh, Liam. There's Liam. He's vacuuming the floor. Good job, Liam. He loves that vacuum cleaner. Yeah, two more. Two more on the floor. How about the spots over here? Okay. All right, Liam. Gonna vacuum under the bed? All right, Liam. What's under there? All right. Let's go do the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. Vacuum the bathroom. Are you done? All right. We've got a mess here. Look over here, Liam. Look up. Let me see. Good job. Good job. All right. Good job, Liam. Yeah. Do the walls, too. Good job. Yeah. What are you doing? You vacuum the walls? All right. You don't want to change your hose? All right, vacuum under the bed. Yeah, the walls. You want to do the walls? Okay. Change the... Here, put this one on. You know how to change it? Let's see if you know how to change it. All right. Take the brush off. Trying to get over my cold. All right. All right, Liam. Good job. Nice job. Working hard. Working hard. You finished? Not yet, huh? You want to vacuum the carpet? Here, get this pot. Liam, get this. Are you doing under the bed? Yeah. Get all that dust out there. Whoa. All right. Now what? You want to change a brush? Put that one on. Do the carpet one. Saturday's cleaning day. Okay. All right. There you go. Somehow I didn't want to vacuum around the toilet. I guess I know why. Alright, up on his toes. Good job. Keep going. There's more in front of you. Plenty of dust.
Yeah.
Right? Good thing we kept all the dust here for you.
What's that? The rocket.
Yeah? You wonder how come there's so much dust? Is there some more dust down there? Get it all. Get it all. What do you want to do? Yeah? Yes, sir. You ready to do it at home too?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Nice job, Liam. Ta-da! You won't tell your mom and dad you know how to vacuum. Otherwise, they'll make you do it every day. Or every Saturday, right? Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Yeah, good job. Nice job.
Look at me, good.
So you're pretty good at it. You ready to do it at home? Hey? You ready to do it at home? Next.
Oh,
Yeah, nice job. Nice job.
no!
Next thing we'll show them how to clean the toilet so you can do the toilets at home. And then we'll show you how to wash out the bathtub and the shower. So busy. All right. We don't have time for Elmo. You don't want Elmo. You're too busy vacuuming. Right? You want Elmo? No. No Elmo. This is more fun. Is this fun? Can you do under the bed?
Yeah.
Do it with the vacuum cleaner. Don't use your shirt.
Yeah.
Vacuumer is better for dusting than your shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
All right. It looks like he's done for this room. You want to do the hallway? Put the slippers all over the place. Got some dirty laundry here. Ta-da is right. He's got his snow shovel. He's looking for some snow to use that snow shovel. So now what? You ready for the room? I don't know. He wants to go back in there. Maybe he's not finished. Did you do under the bed?
Hi.
Hi. Did you under the bed? All right. He loves to vacuum. And he thought he was going to come over here to watch Elmo. Not a chance. He's got work to do. Got some laundry to do, vacuuming, tidying up, dusting. Good thing there's no snow out there. He'd be out shoveling snow. Right? Right? You ready to take a nap? You ready? You ready to go to sleep? What is that? Can you change that vacuum attachment? Liam loves his tools and he loves all these mechanical toys. Blowers, vacuum cleaners, drills. Yeah, what's he doing? All right, let's go take a break. Well, I'm taking a break.